Welcome to my channel, Mainframe Concepts, where we talk about mainframe concepts. For today, we will look at how AI can help us develop programs for the mainframe. While this demo is for a simple Hello World program, it gives us an idea of how AI works. I am using the Brave AI called Leo, which is freely available. It is not as trained as ChatGPT or other more mature AI platforms, but this gives us an idea of how we can use AI for mainframe systems. So we have started our MVS Tk5 machine. Then we start the AI interface. We will type in our requirements. One thing about AI prompts is the more details you put in, the more accurate will be its result. We tell it to generate JCL and COBOL code to print out a Hello World statement in the program. We also give the steps in the proc as well as the message class for the job. Lastly, we put in the name of the load library. We now see the generated code, and let's try to execute it without any changes. Let's copy it and put it in a text editor and save the file. Then we submit it to save the code on the mainframe and compile, link edit, and execute the program. If you would like to see the tools we use to do everything outside of a 3270 screen, please view the videos on the description below. The job's executed, and let's look at the output. In the meantime, please remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Also put on the comments section any topic you want me to discuss. Thank you. The generated job has a JCL error. The problem is that when we submitted the job, our process added the user ID and password to the job card. Let's go back to the AI and tell it. The AI generated another job. But the generated job is wrong still. So we need to tell it what we want to do. It is still wrong, so we tell it how to correct the error. The error is in the job statement, which can depend on an installation, so this is understandable. Now that the JCL looks good, we will copy it and run the job again. But there is still an error. Let me know in the comments if you notice the error. So it is saying it is a JCL error. Let's tell AI the error and see if it can fix it. Let's copy the generated JCL and execute it again. Looks like the fix worked and the program was compiled. But there is a compile error. Let's tell AI about it. It generates a fix. We copy the result and run the job again. Looks like another error. We tell AI about the error. It thinks the error is in the quotes used. It generates another fix, which we will copy and execute again. This time, the compile was successful. The link edit step was also successful. But the execution ended with an error. Let's tell AI about the error. Now let's copy the fix and run it again. It works. All steps ended with no errors, and we can see the hello world printed out. So there you have it. A simple demonstration of how you can use AI to generate code. A lot of training is needed to get the right solution. But it shows that AI cannot come up with the solution immediately. It sometimes generates the wrong result also. You still need an experienced person to guide it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Thank you and God bless you.